To perform a search in Iris, there are two methods. The first is to click on the search icon at the top right of the home page, then type the keyword of your choice in the search bar. This option is accessible from any page in Iris. The second is to click directly on the search field from the home page. Enter the keyword of your choice, then click on Search. Both methods allow you to search the entire repository across all collections. Once your search is launched, you will automatically be redirected to the search results page. A set of filters and settings allows you to refine the results. For example, you can choose to display only results in French and sort them by ascending publication date. To reset the filters, simply click on Reset Filters. You can also limit your search to a specific collection. To do so, click on the search field, then select the desired collection. You can also refine your search by first selecting a specific collection directly from the home page. By clicking on the desired collection, you will be redirected to the search page specific to that collection. You can then enter your keyword in the search field as explained previously. In this case, the results page is similar, but the available filters may vary depending on the selected collection.